like nowhere to sort of.
That's beautiful.
Absolutely incredible.
So we parked in a car park in a town in the mountains last night. That's our view this morning. Just had a storm, so it's just rained, but I think it's going to clear up. And the reason why we're here, there's an old railway line which runs along that fence boundary. It's been made into a cycle path and a footpath, connecting Lake Como with Lake Laguna. And the first bit from Lake Como is very steep, so we thought we'd cheat and park in the town and set off from the town where it flattens out. So that's what we're going to do. I hope the rain stays off now. We're not taking any coats or anything, so if it does rain, we're just going to get wet. And it should take about an hour, just less than an hour, and we'll see how it goes from there. So we just come probably about halfway. We come to a little lake. This is called Lago di Piano, Lake of the Piano. So it's quite stunning. I'm actually on a jetty at the moment, chasing the ducks away. And there's a cycle path in the mountains. And our destination is just a bit further on along there. There's two campsites here. There's one over there, and there's one directly in front there. So we've made it. Here we are. So it's a lovely private beach area there. The lake stretches all the way over there. Quiet everywhere. Someone wants a loo. There we are. Go find somewhere for a coffee, I think. on holiday, chores don't stop, so we had some laundry to do. So yesterday we did our clothes, and today we've done our bedding. But rather than just go to a laundry, which are few and far between along the Lake Como, we've actually come to a campsite, and it's very nice as campsites go. You've got the obligatory caravan come garden shed combinations, nice pool, toilet block, so it's all very neat, recommended by the caravan club. Yeah, as far as campsites go, like I say, really good. This is the view. If the hedge wasn't in the way, this would be our view. But so this river is a river that flows into Lake Como. We're right to the northern end, so we'll be, when we set off tomorrow, when we leave here, we'll be going down the eastern side of the lake. So yeah, all very good. Another storm last night, cloudy today, a bit overcast, cooler, but gives us a break from the searing heat that has been recently. Off for a bike ride to the town now, so I'll take some video in the town. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Moved on today, but only for a short time, about 6 miles maybe, and we knew about this free Italian air by another lake, so this is where we're parked for today. Stunning mountains all around. Just lost the sun. We've had it all day, it's been really penetrating hot.